Today, kids, I'm going to be explaining to you why radiation intensity drops so drastically when you back up a couple feet faster than your will to live during night shift clinicals. That's right, we're talking about the inverse square law because somebody asked me to. Live from my car because I have no other time to film than on my commute. This is Unhinged X-Ray School. And I'm Darby, the snarky, unhinged X-ray professor. Radiation intensity is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. What? You double your distance from the source. You get a quarter of the intensity of radiation. Not half, not slightly less, a quarter. This little equation is the reason that you want to step back a few feet so that you don't glow like a glow stick. Let's use a really basic, stupid example. Let's say you're 1 foot from the tube. If you double your distance away from the tube, that means 2 feet. Now you're only getting 25 millirankins per hour. People always ask me, I suck at math. Can I do radiography school? Yes, because I don't even know how to do simple addition without a calculator. I passed. So if I can do it, you can do it. Here's my answer to that question. If you can cross multiply, you can pass radiography school. This is about as complicated as it gets. This law doesn't just exist to make math majors feel relevant. It's literally the foundation of radiation safety. Move away from the beam and protect your beam. It's literally the one safety feature that you have that doesn't cost the hospital money, doesn't cost your sanity, and doesn't make you sweat through a lead apron, so use it. Remember, kids, time, distance, and shielding are our 3 cardinal rules of radiation safety, especially when it comes to occupational safety, because we're gonna spend 30 plus years in this career. We don't want to spend too much time being in unexposed radiation. We want to make sure that we shield ourselves from scatter radiation. We are not the absorbers of the primary beam like the patient is. So wear your lead whenever you're holding and whenever you're in the OR or whenever you're doing fluoro. It is not a joke. Radiation, just because it's invisible doesn't mean it doesn't exist. And then distance, which is what we're talking about today. The further you are away from the beam, the better. If you can stand behind the radiologist, do it. Now, don't you feel silly for stressing about the inverse square law because I just made it so easy for you. You're welcome.